Can artificial intelligence predict your fashion preferences? How accurate are artificial intelligence tools for text-to-image generation? Can they correctly predict your fashion preferences, furniture style, or desired vacation destinations? I will discuss these questions and also show you how you can use text-to-image generation tool in Canva to create photorealistic images. I used an online program called Canva and the text-to-image generation tool within it to create a series of images that represent fashion preferences of people of different zodiac signs. The image on the left depicts fashion preferences for someone with the sign of Taurus, and then going from left to right for zodiac signs of Aries, Gemini, and Cancer. Next, I have a series of images for zodiac signs starting from the left for Leo, Libra, Scorpio, and Virgo. And then going from left to right, zodiac signs of Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. Now, let me show you how you can create such images using text-to-image generation tool in Canva. First, you need to go online and enter canva.com in your browser. Here is a screenshot of what you will see. Once you begin a project in Canva, you will see a screen which looks something like the screenshot on the left. It shows a series of icons such as design, elements, uploads, and so on the left. It shows a series of corresponding images on the right. The icon you want to use is at the very bottom, called Text to Image. Once you click on that icon, it brings you to the screenshot shown in the middle. It asks you to describe the image you want to see in words, and it gives you some hints on the type of text you can enter to generate an image. In my case, I wanted to create an image for the New York Fashion Week to see what the program came up with. Once I entered the text and scrolled down, I was asked to select a style as shown in the screenshot on the left. I was interested in a photorealistic image, so I selected Photo and then clicked on Generate Image at the bottom. Within seconds, it generated 3 different images that represented the New York Fashion Week in photorealistic images as shown in the middle. I selected one of those 3 images to create a final image as shown on the far right. As you can see, it is relatively easy to generate an image based on text. Whether such images accurately describe what your preferences are is an open question. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. You can find me online as shown here and read my books which are available on Amazon.